We all exist, whether we like it or not, in the world of GLP-1 soft tissue changes, the Ozempic face, the Ozempic body, deflation, weight loss, which leads to laxity and volume deficiency. In this world of GLP-1 morphologic changes, the Morpheus, the Quantum are the dominating successful treatments to actually improve the concerns that you're having. GLP-1 is the #1 treatment in the US right now. 25,000 patients a day, up to 10% of the entire population is on this kind of treatments. They lose their weight, but you never lose it where you want it. Sometimes where you want it, but not exactly on the other spot, and it's pretty much irregular. Morpheus and Quantum do that without aspiration, taking care of those irregular pockets, unevenness. If you do aspirate those localized areas, post Ozempic or GLP-1s, you get skin tightening, yes. You will also have areas where you lose excessive volume, and there is no better way to treat loss of volume than with Morpheus to tighten the skin laxity over the top of that volume loss and create contraction and retraction. And with the judicious use of fillers or fat grafting, you can restore some of those contours post Ozempic weight loss. GLP-1s like Ozempic, Mounjaro, followed by Botox, then Morpheus, then Quantum, and then fillers. That's the strategy to actually restore the overall contours. Morpheus is the #1 non-toxin-based solution for your GLP-1 patients. It works, it lasts, it combines contraction and retraction and autogenous volumization and bio-re-stimulation after that GLP-1 weight loss journey. We are in an epic time of obesity control. We are also in an epic opportunity of Morpheus as a therapeutic intervention after weight loss. That is why we are seeing a surge in these type of treatments in countries that GLP-1 is very popular. Because no other product will do that, what Morpheus does for that long-term restoration, not toxins, not fillers. It's only the bipolar, ultra-short pulsations of Morpheus and Quantum. It will be non-surgical and non-downtime. I invite you to book a consultation so that you can finish the transformation that you started and feel and look your best with our help and finish your journey today.